See what the FPC give us, so and just call me now and simply I bring my butter card and give me one shirt, one key order, oil, pepper, and sardine sachet, Maggi, 10 pieces inside, 2 indomie, 1 sugar, 1 salt, 1 gari, 1 jerrycan of gari, 1 jerrycan of rice, 1 jerrycan of beans, a rubber for hand. That's it again, nothing there again. And this one empty set, nothing there inside. See what you can give us, see what they take us for this country.
So before they give you this thing now, what did they ask you?
And just ask me for my butter card. I give them the right, what they want right. Then give me back and carry this one give me.
So now they say this one now for the next 4 years now, they don't settle you with that now.
That is settlement with that now.
Now they settle me with this. So after this one now, how many days you go chop now?
This one 1 day now. This indomie never you wouldn't even say.
And now me say with this one now you go vote APC now.
Me I never go APC.
Why now? Why they don't give you this?
I go just collect. If they give me a collect, I never go APC. What they do is for this 8 years now, it's okay.
It's good now. Anything where they bring collect them. Now you're right. After all, now APC they government.
I go vote for what
they do Christmas for you now.
This one na Christmas, other na New Year gift, I don't know.
So make you vote your conscience. So
I go
vote for the one where we say this country go better.
Now what we go vote na people.
We cannot continue to live in this little things when no go last us 2 days. There for the next 4 years, you will suffer. Your children go suffer. Make everybody share your out. This is happening live now in Ikoyi. They are going about collecting people PVC and give them this pack containing what you have seen. So they collect your PVC, record details of the PVC, take your phone number, and give you this. Yes, so what do you call that? It's now left for you people. If we like this offering, let us continue. Otherwise, vote them.